Hi, my name's Ciara from Ciara's Home Yoga. This is a very quick upper body tension release. We're going to get stuck in straight away today, so we'll start seated on our mat with our legs crossed. We'll start today rolling our shoulders up and back. Change direction. And release. Inhale, raise our left hand to the ceiling. Exhale, stretch to the right, keeping our right shoulder down away from our ear. Inhale, flow to the other side. Exhale, feel into the stretch. And we'll repeat this a few times, moving with our breath and moving at your own pace. A reminder to make sure that our lower shoulder is dropped away from our ear. One more time. And release back to center. We'll inhale, both hands to the ceiling now, look up. Exhale, we'll twist to the left, looking over our left shoulder. Inhale, back to center, arms up, look up. Exhale, twist to the right. Our shoulders are down away from our ears. And again, we'll repeat this a few times. Last one. On our next inhale, we'll bring our arms up and clasp our hands, bringing our right hand to the left side and our left hand to the right side. Our shoulders are down and we're drawing our elbows back, lengthening through our arms, straightening our arms if we can, and breathing deeply. If you need a break at any stage, you can bend your elbows and reach up when you're ready. And release. We'll change the orientation of our hands now, reaching up through our arms, and we're drawing our elbows back. Again, if you need a break, you can bend your elbows at any stage and straighten your arms when you're ready. And release, we'll shake out our arms. I'm going to turn here so you can see me in profile. Staying in our crossed legs, we'll roll our shoulders back and down, and we'll clasp our hands behind our back and move our hands away from our body. We'll tuck our chin in a tiny bit here, and we're lengthening through our spine. Breathing deeply. We can feel our shoulder blades squeezing together on our back, and our shoulders are down away from our ears. And release. Inhale, we'll squeeze our shoulders up and back. Exhale, release. We'll repeat this 2 more times. Last one. And release. We'll come over to tabletop now, walk our knees back an inch or two, and come to lying down on our mat with our hands under our shoulders. We'll inhale, come up to cobra, shoulders down, elbows tucked into our body. Exhale, lower back down. And again, inhale, come up to cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, we come up to cobra. Exhale, we look over our right shoulder to our left foot. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, we look over our left shoulder to our right foot. Inhale back to center. And exhale, lower back down. Inhale, we'll raise our chest, shoulders and head from our mat. Clasp our hands behind our back for a variation of locust pose. Our shoulder blades are squeezing together. If it feels good, you can raise your feet from your mat here. And release, we lower back down. Turn our head to one side for a rest, before pushing ourselves back up to our cross-legged position again. We'll bring our fingertips to our shoulders now, and we'll draw semicircles with our elbows, bringing our wrists to touch behind our head and our elbows to touch in front of our face, moving as fast or as slowly as feels good to you, seeing if we can make every semicircle bigger than the one before it. And release. We'll bring the palm of our left hand to our right shoulder blade now and draw our left elbow back with our right hand. Our head is up straight, drawing our elbow back as much as feels good, breathing deeply. We'll check in with our jaw here and release any tension we're holding in our jaw muscles. And release, other side, bringing our right hand to our left shoulder blade and drawing our right elbow back with our left hand. We'll check in behind our eyes here and release any tension there, bringing a smile to our face to relax all the muscles in our face. And release. We'll do some shoulder circles again, rolling our shoulders up and forwards, and now up and back. And release. To finish, we'll inhale, squeeze our shoulders up and back. Exhale, release. I hope you enjoyed today's practice and you'll join me again. Please subscribe to Ciara's Home Yoga for more yoga videos. Namaste. Just to let you know, I upload a class every Saturday to start the weekend connected to our body and our breath. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Have a great rest of your day.